Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to colorize a black and white photo using the 4D Dig file repair tool. Whether it's old portraits, landscapes, or cherished family photos, 4D Dig transforms them into vibrant, lifelike images in just a few clicks. Before we get started, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us so you don't miss any videos. Check the download link below and download the Photo Enhancer tool for free. Once launch it, click AI Enhance, click Photo Colorizer, then drag your photo here. 4D Dig can colorize multiple photos at once. Here, I drag in all the black and white portraits first. Since they are all portraits, I chose the face model in the AI models that is more suitable for portraits. Below, I choose the clearer 4K resolution. Click the Colorize button and wait. Now for the exciting part. I picked 3 different types of photos to show you just how versatile 4D AI is. Let's start with the first one, a classic black and white portrait. Wow, look at the detail! His clothes, his skin tone, even the subtle background, it all feels so real. I'm honestly blown away by the accuracy. Next is a beautiful girl. The overall photo has a Fuji camera film feel, very beautiful. The third one is Justin Bieber wedding photos. The color of Hailey's hair and wedding dress is very realistic. Next, let's take a look at the coloring effect of the second set of landscape photo. After dragging the photos in, this time we choose the general mode. Well done. Let's see the effect together. Look at this transformation. The sky is a deep dark blue with faint yellow starlight. The crystal clear white snow, even the woods in the distance have the breath of winter. The effect is beyond my imagination. What do you think of the effect? Leave your comment and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you and see you in the next video.